Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Jeep Renegade key fob, updated. Insert a thin flathead into the small slot and twist gently to separate the halves, slide out the emergency blade, and lift the circuit board free. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratches, note battery orientation, and avoid touching contacts. Keep small parts organized and reuse any foam pad if present. Take your time and stay patient. Start by collecting your tools and replacing needs before you start. A thin flathead or plastic pry tool, tweezers, and a CR2032 battery are common requirements. Set out a small tray or cloth so screws and tiny parts do not get lost. Work in good light and a calm space to avoid distractions. Confirm the key fob model visually and note any clips or tabs before prying the housing open. If you're enjoying this update, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for downtime while waiting for parts or appointments. It makes reading easy anywhere. Check the description for the link and other deals related to tools and accessories. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Gently separate the two halves by working the slot with a flathead or plastic pry tool, moving slowly around the seam until clips release. Carefully lift the circuit board out and note the battery orientation and any foam insulation. Replace the battery with an identical CR2032 and test the buttons while the fob is open. If everything works, realign housing halves and press together until clips snap back into place securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.